Okay, here we are, folks. We're here in Munich just for a short time on our way to Innsbruck in Austria. And we're just here at the Marienplatz. This is like the main kind of, well, plaza, which is Platz in Munich. And just looking at these wonderful cafes. I love these outdoor cafes, and of course, admiring this kind of Gothic architecture. Again, I'm not an expert in architecture, but I believe it's Gothic or maybe neo-Gothic, but it's beautiful. Now we're on the side, so the Glockenspiel is on the front. So hopefully the Glockenspiel is working. It's been 22 years since I've been here, been to Munich. And I remember and in fact, right here, I remember it's exactly this exit from the subway. And you see the Marienplatz here that I came out in the middle of the night 22 years ago, just blown away by the beauty of this square. So this is Bavaria, folks. There's Marienplatz. And so again, Constantine is with me here, so I was going to tell Constantine again, this was the place I came out, this exact exit when I came out, and I noticed this place in the middle of the night. Well, not middle of the night, but early evening. Wow, beautiful place. Yeah, I do remember this. I do remember quite a bit. Oh, there's the Glockenspiel. Okay, we're going to spin it around here. And there it is. I'm gonna kind of zoom in. It's not on at the moment. I don't know the schedule when this thing turns. Okay, I'm just gonna back out of here. I'm gonna kind of zoom right out because it's such a large building. Wow. Brings back a lot of memories. I remember this statue, or this little well, I guess you call it a statue and pillar as well. Yeah, this brings back a lot of great memories. I remember these little kiosks where you could buy souvenirs. I want to buy a beer stein, so actually, let me see if I can hear any beer steins over here. I don't want to lose Constantine, but oh yeah, see, that's what I want. I want one of these mugs. Well, it's expensive as heck though. 14 euros. Munich is quite expensive compared to the rest of Germany. In fact, the housing prices that I've been told is the most expensive in all of Germany. But isn't that just wonderful? I'm just gonna back out a little bit more so you guys can see the whole bit at once. Okay, maybe just back all the way out. Okay, I backed the phone all the way out to 0.5 so you can see the whole place. Yeah, what a beautiful place. So historic. What Constantine told me is that Bavaria feels a bit, how do you say, they feel a bit used by the rest of the country because as Constantine put it, Bavaria feels like they're donors. In other words, they pay a lot of taxes to support the rest of the country, where the rest of the country doesn't kind of pay into the taxes to support the rest of the country. So there's been some fantasy rumors that they want to split away from main Germany, but I highly doubt that will ever happen. But anyway, but Bavaria has a distinctly different feel from the north. I really feel very comfortable here. So I don't know when the Glockenspiel will turn on, but if it does and I'm here, I'll certainly video it. So that's all for the moment for the Marienplatz, and we're going to take a little trip around and hopefully visit a beer garden. Not really a beer garden, but a beer bar that is famous during the Second World War. So we're going to see if we can get a trip inside there.
The church behind.